Kamiti ya kuthingatira kioto kia Sniper nitumirite mibango ya kunogokia mututigi Daniel Muthiani tariki 8 cia mweri twitite. Batongeretwe ni mukaririgiti wakio Franklin Karute baugite nibetikaniritie na nja ya mututigi kunogokia Sniper nyuma ya gwikirwa wira ni ati kioto kiawe kigakinyanira. Sniper oragirwe Muthiene jwa mwaka muthiru na igamba ria giku kiawe no ritite na mbere kotine. Muthuri Muriuki ni agutwambiriria cio.
Muthia nandi meri na nyumene muri yo Daniel Muthiani ora ujikenya Sniper tuketha jukinogogwa uju nandi ni kuringana ikunike New Dawn baraba ugite muri twitite tariki 8 ido Sniper ketha kinogokwa kuringana ora betikaniritinya family
kiama giga Meru New Dawn na consultation na family ya Sniper. Members of the County Assembly atongeretwe ni mheshimiwa host MCA Mure, members ba bungera nene, Professor Kindikura urungamerete Ministry Interior na ningi inya DCI's offices ile investigations nyume a lot of consultation to agwatanire ati tubwite kunokia Sniper na tontubo tuenda gutangaza ati mbario ya Sniper ikethera aramisi ya tariki 8 mweri jwa 8 next month.
Na with the consultation na family ya Sniper na ibobongwa barombere ku arrive kiri tariki 8 mweri jwa 8 ria tukethwa tukiurukia our brother Sniper na mantu ne yaunandri with the blessings of the family atongeria betu imbithirito mpeikanya kakwithwa ndi chairperson wa kutongeria mibango ya mathiko ya Sniper, and beginning from today wita mbere
baugite thirikari ni bekirite wirani ati ona kinya Sniper no gugua mwanga kioto kia ikethwa gikionekana
twethete kurukia Sniper twena assurance from the government ati justice ya Sniper kinyoke akwethwa nendilete justice will be served na kore antu bakuona yaka bebelete kiri that hook ya kwethwa ne ba participate kire kurita Sniper moyo turendo bera atiri it is not over until it is over.
Itulegite kwata assurance na family ya assured by Professor Kindiki, the Minister of Interior, that the justice ika served kiri family ya Sniper nya alikia kurukwa. At the same time, perezi antuba Meru ati antubale suspects bara batano bali bakinywa kotini na bayikwa ndene ibombere kurekerwa, which is democracy. Constitution ni gwetekeria omuntu wonde kwe wa board kendomba gwithira agite taira
nkuruki gikundi giki geta na mbere korotera ngavana Meru Kenneth Mwangaza ni kumania ntumiriro iteterwa eweti na mbere ndene county ya Meru bakiwa ke report yewe etena uma
turege kundi giki tukareta a clear analysis in the near future ya statement reality kwa mugwanano number 1 manto jegie obichi ya control of budget issues iria raisete ke report ya 2023-2024 teuja aeja roja kari kiri expenditures. Number 2 ke manto jago tumira manual payroll area control of budget mwanka na arua kumangava no tonyo bichini atwire kuraramika in each and every single report atembeche cha Mukenya ichikora in billions ni ontobwa manual payroll. Number 2 atwa area kwena kilomita nkoroki ya ngirinyiri thithitwe ni MTF mbori ya Meru taga wodire umete ombere kuthro MTF ni thithite nkoroki nya kilomita ijire
mbecha cha MTF ciari 530 million na ingeo chianjira over 200 million, so in total ni around 730 million. Ukaga mbecha yu na kilomita zira gutwika icho chiathinya twasiumete ni ngiri 5 iko maanisha kilomita imwe ya tumira 175,000 shillings, in which case still it would mean mbeya cha Meru ya tumiro boboe ngabana erere antuba Meru pipe ile nenkandene ya Meru County chiomba ukaba distance 260 kilometers ebu inkorobie kuma Meru weta Nairobi 260 kilometers see all the pipes see that pipe 39,000 pieces pipe mwe ngiri 39 kwa ward nibwite kwitha ina pipe akue 900 ward Mumero chiorie ketha pipe chienu 900 ichiejire na budgetine kwari na 216 million shillings chia Mboa House ndene ya Meru County ne atia chia tumere 216 million na chienja kwa machine ya county na still gutea equipwa which means gutea nyuwa roji na mwaka yuathirire
ni ngavana kuga ina 6000 workforce indiki 6000 workforce au ga ina August Meru County na nachiji ngavana banu ije kwena August Meru County ni atoko nankanira mbeja chia itigugeba Meru ukainankanira kengusi workers na nwije no baije na nugire balio turende banu amenyere kwena August ndene Meru County ngavana twakwe takato kwanja twakwira ndio litengosti uno tangase na uge ningana
to turenda itemized budget na 2024-2025 ndenda kwira Mumiru wonthe kira tukwenda kuigwa gie sauti ya governor ikuga mbeca kuma million 45 to 50 million icio tweterete ki budget ya Meru
bakigwa na ndau kinyite baketha bakigwata mbaru mbewe mbithi kinyabo bachumiria kutha bakiuria biora mwanya mbegi utongire ndene kaunti Meru
na kinya county ne turenda kwira the governor who is the president of the county it is no longer business as usual. Gen Z eretetera every single one of us. Antobara turare mi kwaria. Antobara turainyere tutra na voice. We have got redemption. We have got a voice through Gen Z. Therefore my voice is therein. Voice ya mtongora wanda utekomba kwaria. Ere therein. Therefore the fight was not a generational fight. The fight was for every one of us.
Muthuri Muriuki, World TV, Mutino Jokangangi.